Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about Do You Speak English? Conversation Part 3rd. If you have not watched the previous video Part 1 and Part 2, then please go and watch it, and then you come and then you watch this video, then it will be more easy to understand this topic. And before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह साफ. Example 6th. Sentence is please find someone who speaks French. Means here somebody is asking for help, and in this sentence we can use different words such as get, bring, ask for, direct to me, take me to. These words how we can use in sentence, let's see. Get in sentence, please get someone who speaks French. Somebody is asking, please get someone who speaks French. Next word is bring. In sentence, please bring someone who speaks French. Next word is ask for. In sentence, please ask for someone who speaks French. Next word is direct to me. In sentence we use this one. Please direct me to someone who speaks French. Next word is take me to. In sentence we use please take me to someone who speaks French. Example 7th. Please find someone who speaks French. In this sentence we can use different words such as German, Turkish, Arabic, Chinese. How we use these words in sentence, let's see. German. Please find someone who speaks German. Next word is Turkish. In sentence, please find someone who speaks Turkish. Next word is Arabic. In sentence we use please find someone who speaks Arabic. Next word is Chinese. In sentence we use please find someone who speaks Chinese. Example 8th. Sentence is please find someone who speaks French. In this sentence also we can use different words such as bring, Arabic, ask for, German, take me to. How we use these words in sentence, let's see. Bring. Please bring someone who speaks French. Next, Arabic. Please bring someone who speaks Arabic. Next, ask for. In sentence, please ask for someone who speaks Arabic. Next word is German. In sentence, please ask for someone who speaks German. Next word is take me to. Means take me to. In this word how we can use in sentence is like this. Please take me to someone who speaks German. Example 9th. Sentence is do you think English is easy? Somebody is asking to someone that do you think English is easy? In this sentence also we can use different words such as hard, difficult, simple, complicated. How we can use these words in sentence? Let's see. Hard. Do you think English is hard? Somebody is asking to someone that do you think that English is hard or not? Next example, let us see. Next example is difficult. In sentence how we use this difficult? Let's see. Do you think English is difficult? Here also somebody is asking to someone that do you think that English is difficult? He is asking. Now next word is simple. In sentence we use this simple like this. Do you think English is simple? Somebody is asking to someone that do you think English is simple? Next word is complicated. We use in sentence this like this. Do you think English is complicated? Somebody is asking to someone that do you think that English is complicated? Example 10th. Sentence is I don't speak English. I don't speak English. This sentence we can use in different forms by adding these words such as the man, fluently, the boys, very well, understand. So let's see how we use these words in sentence. Number one example is the man. In sentence, the man does not speak English, means the man does not speak English. Next example is fluently. The man does not speak English fluently, means the man, he does not speak English fluently. Next word is the boys. In this sentence, we use these words in sentences like this. Next word is very well. How we use these words in sentence, let's see. The boys don't speak English very well. Next word is understand. In sentence, the boys don't understand English very well, means the boys don't understand English very well. Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.